today's workshop, you will get opportunity to do a nail bed repair in this finger model. In this finger model, you can see this is the nail plate, and under the nail plate, you can see the blood is coming out. Basically, this is the jam jelly I used as a model. So when you take this nail plate off, it is better to give a small incision along this margin so that easy to come out. So we have to take it out, this nail plate off like that. Sometimes you need to put this knife underneath very slowly like that. Nail plate loose, then slowly take the nail plate off, and you can see the blood clot over here. So you need to clean the blood clot with some saline water. Normal saline goes, clean that. Then you can see the little bit of the injury happening here. You can see the injury, and also clean this blood clot in here. So clean that, nice and clean in here. Now we have to put a few stitches in this nail bed injury. You can see the injury in here. So put a stitch, a couple of step, right, done. So it is better to use the 60 rapid vehicle, which is really good. If you don't have, you can use 5040 vehicle. In this model, I'm using 40 vehicle, and cut the switch very short. Now you have to put a nail back. Before putting the nail back, it is good to put a little bit of the trimming, all the margins of the nail. Little bit trimming. Then put it back again. Put it back. Now you can see a little bit more. That's good. Now you have to put another stitch to hold the nail. That will be some prolene. Superficial stitch. Another stitch in here. This cross stitch hold the nail plate very nicely with the nail bed. So now just fix it, good. Protect your nail switcher with a nail holder. Nail bed repair done. After that, we have to put a bandage.